Vidisha ma'am with you. I'm filming a video for you all. Here today I'm not going to describe about any of the subjective topic. Here I am with an entirely new video about the 10 smart study tips which is going to help every student right from class 1 to class 12. So watch my video. So my dear students, the tip number 1 is following a timetable. Planning an ideal timetable is very important for a good student. So a weekly timetable helps you to just make your available time for your studies, your hobbies and whatever activity you are doing throughout the day. An ideal timetable helps a student to overcome the stress during examination. Basically now you all are in the lockdown state. So you are going through your studies by the online classes like your teachers are taking classes in your Zoom or any type of online classes you are going. So there you can make a timetable beforehand so that you should not skip any of your online classes from your coaching centers or your school. Tip number 2. Meditation and yoga. Meditation, yoga and exercises help you to recover yourself from stress that you are going throughout the day. It will help you to give some positive vibes to your brain. It will energize you. So you can do some meditation and yoga to make your brain free from different type of stress. That will improve your blood circulation as well, and you see that the lifestyle that you are leading will also change a bit. So it will improve your lifestyle as well as it will improve your uh, stress level. Third tip is hobbies. Do give some time for your hobbies. Hobbies will help you to recover the monotony of your life and the monotony of the lockdown state that you are passing through. The hobby may be reading books or maybe playing video games or online games or even gardening or doing any sort of thing that you like as a hobby. But remember, outdoor games are restricted now, so you can do any type of indoor activity as your hobby. So it will help you to overcome all your monotony and give you pleasure. Number 4 is forming groups for studies. You can form groups among yourself with your friends. Now you cannot meet your friends because everything is in the lockdown. You cannot go to your friend's house. So how you are going to talk to them or want to share some of the difficulties you are facing in the study area? You can do one thing. You can form groups in various type of online uh, forums where you can chat with your friends, you can exchange your thoughts and you can help each other in various ways. Like if you are you have solved one of the particular exercise and you have no difficulty left there, you can help your other friends, those who are feeling difficulty in that particular area. So in this way you can talk to your friends and exchange thought, and even you can come across the uh, crisis of your friends that you are feeling at home stuck condition. So tip number 5, noting down all the difficulties you are facing while online classes are going on. So do make a notebook and write down all the problems that you are facing during the online class from your school or even during the coaching centers that you that you have joined. So later, whenever you find scope, you can rectify or you can just take the note of that particular doubt from the respective teacher. You can find the answers or solutions from any type of book or even online with the help of Wikipedia or any other online areas where it is easy for searching. Tip number 6, study area, which is very important. The place where you are studying is very important. Suppose your house is not big enough and you have a single bed, so don't study in that area where you sleep every day, because that will make you lethargic and feel sleepy. So you just study in the separate corner of the same bed in which you sleep every day. Or if your house is big enough, then there is no problem. You can select any one room or any one place where there is nobody to disturb you, it is not crowded with any people, And do remember, keep all your belongings, your notebooks, pencils, copies, your textbooks, and all the things that you need for studies. And yes, don't forget to take one bottle of water and some snacks while studying, because when you're feeling hungry or thirsty, you have to move up from there every time now and then to the kitchen and ask your mother to bring down all the things that you need. So you can avoid doing this and you can stop killing your time like this. So remember to follow this. Is tip number 7 is keeping your mobile phone or tablet far away from the area where you are studying. You may say, well, nowadays we are studying online, we need to download the documents sent by your teachers or the coaching centers. In that case, I may say that you just download the contents, you can print it down or you can note down whenever you are getting time. But while studying, means when you are mugging up, when you are studying a topic or reading any particular new topic, at that time do keep your mobile phone far away from you. Or if you want it, you can just put it in the airplane mode, so that no notification, no message and no phone calls will disturb you anymore. Tip number 8, learning a new language. Yes, you may learn a foreign language, you may learn some Indian languages as well. There are so many apps available online. You can download those apps and you can get so many instructions to follow to learn a new language. Who knows, this new language that you are learning will be helpful for you in your later life. So you can download apps like Duolingo, Mind Snacks. So many apps are there. You can just search and download any one that will help you to learn a new language. I am definitely sure it will going to help you a lot. Number 9, following a daily planner. Yes, make a daily planner or a weekly planner, so that whatever you have planned for the day or for the week is noted down there. It will help you to give you reminder of what you are going to do next. You can even use a reminder in your mobile phone that will remind you that yes, today is such and such test taken by such and such teacher. So please follow a daily planner, that is going to help you a lot, so that you will not skip any of your classes or you will not skip any of the things that you are going to do throughout the day. So follow it. I am definite that it will help you a lot. Tip number 10, reading more and more books. Now you have a lot of time now sitting at home, ideal, so you can read e-books, some of the motivational book or any type of book that you like to read, like fictional books or story books. So this will enhance you to learn more languages, more stock of word will be there with you. So you can learn a language like English or Bengali or whatever language, whatever mother tongue you have, you can learn more and more books out of that, so that it will enhance your language skill in that area. So in the beginning of the video, I said that at the end of the video, I will be telling you one of the extra bonus study tip. So this is the bonus study tip I am going to give you. It is not related directly to the studies, but yes, it is definitely related to your study. This is about when you are feeling sleepy, you are not feeling to study. Suppose your brain is just locked up with so many informations. That day was very hectic. Please don't study anymore. Just go to take a nap or sleep, so that your brain will be relieved from all the stress that you are going through, and it will become fresh for the next day, for the next some moment that you want to recharge your brain with new thoughts and new ideas. So just give some space to your brain. So that was the video. So my dear students, hope you liked the study tips and you can apply it in your life. Now whatever I said today is not from my own experience, but it is the experience of the good students. Often they do follow these study tips, and even if you have more ideas in your brain or you follow yourself some of the extra tips, you can just put it down in the comment section. So thanks for watching my video and stay tuned. Subscribe my channel for knowing more and more about the more videos coming on the way. So stay happy, stay safe, stay at home. Thanks for watching.